everyone. This is Engineer Jeffrey Abatayo from FHV Solution. We're so excited today. I will show it to you what we have about the investors deck. So excited. I'm so excited. Okay. So let's go. Let's have some screen sharing. Here we go. Okay. FHV Solutions is corporations based in New York City, USA. Drive smarter, earn $400 to $600 daily, and a passive income from $45 to $245,000 every month for a 5,000 subscription. The problem is big income. Drivers work many trips, from 15 to 20 trips, for too little pay, between $100 to $300 a day. They lack a system to earn $400 to $600 a day in just 7 to 9 trips, which could raise their income to $2,000 to $3,000 a week, or an $8,000 to $12,000 a month. Next problem is big rides. Why they are stuck of $10 to $25 per ride when they can get 40 to 137 per ride? Is possible. Pool rides, why settle for $10.35 per trip when 2x is $70 to $100, 3x, which is $90 to $170? It's possible. And 9 plus base. Drivers only have access to 2 platforms, Uber, Lyft, or one other platform. But how do they expand from 2 bases to 9 base company that actually provide higher paying jobs? Solutions: a web and a mobile training platform where drivers can learn advanced and proprietary strategies. 2, rush hour. So what hour and location where prices of the trip double to 4 times the price? For more than 2 to 3 years in experience, and I found out how we can find those rush hours and the locations that the price of the trip is double to 4 times. So for example, from $15 to $25, they bring up to $50 to $130 per trip, per rides. Number 2 solutions is pool rides. They have bases allowed to have a pool ride. So can add 1 or 2 more passengers, or a total of 3 in each trip, which could double to triple the income per trip. Here's the next solution: 9 base. Not only dependent on Uber or Lyft or one base, but you can have 9 base, more choices to pick up better rides and less downtime. Because other than waiting for passengers, this time you can utilize your time in what time you work. Adding new base every month in the training site when it has enough data, research, and best opportunities how to generate added income that communities can benefit. So because I'm a computer engineer, I was able to have a system, a solution, machines, analyze the data if added in of your existing what you have. Solution continues. It increased the monthly income from 1,500 to 3,000 to 5,000 to 8,000 to 10,000 plus in a monthly income. Happy driver. When a driver makes more stable income, they're able to pay bills and able to expand or buying another vehicles for business. Increase subscriptions from a $49 subscription for one driver all the way up to 5,000 drivers, that it will generate a passive income of 245,000 every month in profit towards FHV Solutions Company. So while you're providing solutions, you get compensated also through subscriptions. Affiliate program. I'm working with a great company base if they can offer affiliate program that can generate a passive income also. If how many drivers that we can let them join to the company, because I know these companies that offer a better opportunities. Market size. So these are the companies that they offer those rights. They have bases, but these are not, they are the main provider. Accessoride, they have more or less $10.4 million jobs, which is daily 40,000 to 50,000 jobs. I have a passenger before he worked with Accessor, right? And what he mentioned, this is only New York City. So what you need is the driver is 6 to 9 passengers. So if this is 6 to 9 passenger, it will be equivalent to 2x or 3x per passenger. So you could only probably maybe 2 3 trips. So the income would come up between $300 to $450, which is between 6 to 9 passengers you have. But this is like 2 or 3x. The next one is Medicaid, Medicare. So they have a base also. We have two bases that they have. This one, that yearly they have around 1 million completed jobs. This is just only one base, 1 million completed jobs for 1 year. They have 3,800 jobs in just one base. You just need 2 or 4 passengers, which you can do 2x per trip. So between $80 to $200. So if you calculate this one already, there's another options. Okay, let's discuss about Black Car Lemo. Black Car Lemo is 1 to 10 million jobs a year, which is around 3,000 jobs every day. But you need only 1 or 3 passengers. So which bring in another income of $40 to $180. And then another one is Empower and Corp is another company which is can bring, there's no data that one every year, but also every day, but you just need 1 or 2 passengers, which could bring $40 to $80. So you have a lot of options of what time also. And probably they will go up more according by these prices. Market validations is they have give you an example here. There are real companies that they have training under with school. Okay, so for example, School of Mentors. They have $25 a month and they have 6,000 members. That brings $150,000 a month. This one here, a player accelerator, they have $397 a month, which is they have 4,400 members, which bring in $1.7 million every month of passive income. This one also is photography, and they have $47 a month, which is 579 members. They have 27,000 every month of passive income. It's another Pocketball School, $39 a month, 1,200 members. They bring in $46,000 every month. This guy, they have two training, the AI Automation Society and AI Automation Society Plus. Just the basic one, the free one, is $0 a month, and he has 195,000 members. This is bringing $0, but he has $94 a month, which is 2,090 members, which is bringing $276,000 a month. So my goal is 5,000 members for 245,000 a month for a $49 subscription base. So how the business model is? So the business model is, 3 years of research and based on real-time data. Start with one base to 12 base. So that years of experience I have, it come up with those knowledge and skills, and learned and tested only one base for a week, and it doesn't work. It needs a backup. So I tested out 1 week, one base. I see if this company can generate a passive income, which is no. And iPhone or Samsung screen recording solution. So I have the one in my car, in my Tesla car. Pain and suffering barely, making $80 to $100 a day from 4 a.m. to 11 p.m. That's a big pain. But I figure out the solutions and by God's help. From $60 pay per trip, drop to $30 from Manhattan to JFK with a heavy traffic. That's a pain. I'd have drivers that are having that pain. Pain not getting paid, and I have to wait for 3 weeks. That's another problem too. I have to charge my electric car twice every day, and it costs between $30 to $50. But all those negative things, I come up with a solution. The solution is 9 base. So from the 12 base that I sign up, only 9 base. That seems it works. So it resulted to $400 to $600 every day, turned to 2,000 to 3,000 a week, and turns to 8,000 to 10,000 a month. That's a great solutions. But the good thing about the training that I learned and experience it resulted to the next thing. So share the knowledge and skills. I was doing conference call with God. And one Sunday, God inspired me to research all the side hustle in YouTube and discover about school.com. So I found, and for me, when I'm doing some research, wow, they have people getting paid higher amount through subscription. Subscriptions like SaaS or software as a service, this is the new thing. I created a company, FHB Solutions, and I created already the training already, and they have already 9 base that is already set up. And then avoid surprises, dress code not accepted, policy of the company, and then this company, FHB Solution, it can provide detail from start to knowing the requirements, documents needed, application, uploading of documents, visiting the office, urine drug test, acceptance training, how to use the app, knowing rush hour, location, and making better pay, and praise the Lord. So this one, it resulted into a monthly training from $49 all the way up to 5,000 subscribers. But imagine this one, there are more than 100,000 drivers in New York City doing for-hire vehicle. So we're just target from one all the way up to 5,000. That would bring $245,000 in a passive income. In a yearly income, that would bring into $2.9 million. But if the numbers double in from 5,000 to 10,000, which is possible, that would bring in $500,000 every single month. And this is makes me more amazing. So adoption of strategy, Tesla charging and marketing. So I charge twice in Tesla charging station between 11:30 to 12 noon and before going home. So those time, they see my setup, how many phones I have, 2 big iPads, around 9 phones in my car. And they can see, it's like, wow, how did you set it up? And then how did I power it up using a solution to power all those devices? That's one of the marketing. So I asked them, what do you do? What type of company you're working now? They said, oh, I have Uber, or I have Uber and Lyft, or I have Lyft, or I have this base. So I asked them how much you make. And they said maybe around like $100 to $300. Okay. I told them about it. So I make around $400 to $600. And they said, wow, how did you do it? So now there's already a platform already. I'll just add their email address. They can sign up. They pay for it, $49 a month. That's another one subscriber. Simple. One of the best marketing strategy we show to the driver how it looks my dashboard. 2 iPads, 13-inch and 11-inch, 9 phones. So another one is partnership. Partnership with selected drivers that they can get 40% commission in every successful driver they referred in. Social media. Post promotional video into Uber or Lyft Facebook group and ask permission with group admin. And promote it also to LinkedIn profile. So maybe they have some people also that they have for-hire vehicle cars, and people they can recommend them, oh, if you want to make more money from the passenger side, you can sign up to FHB Solutions. And then events, sponsor an IDG events, urine drug test events, so some other events that we can participate in, that we can expand and hit our targets for subscriptions and help more drivers, they can better income. So competition. In the market now, we have only two competition. The first one is the offline transactions is human. Human is sharing the base. And that's what I get some of those bases. Also, I asked them what base they are. And they told me about it. But I asked them how much you make money in. And they say they're not using it or they're not making big bucks. And for me, I try it and I experience it. I get a phone for it. And I observe that every day, where's the job? And observe it not only for one day, I observe for days and weeks and months until I figure out, wow, I can insert this company on this time frame. Or if there's a downtime, I can do this one too for the day too. Online transactions, expenses. So this is very affordable. We don't have any competitor. No one have ever built this solution. So we are the best. Okay. Competition advantage. First to market. By God's grace, we are the first able to release a training to help drivers to make a great income. Months and years, real life experience in testing each base, of a great potential and advantage. Add 1 or 2 bays. So every month I will add 1 or 2 bays in the training site to discover the advantage of the base. So it means also maintaining the subscriptions. Jackery power bank, able to charge 1 cigarette light plug and able to power more than 8 devices. So this is one of the solutions. We're not only giving training, but realistic how you can apply and make it things happen. iPhone recording screen, able to solve on how to record the screen of the phone, of the iPhone or the Samsung phone, and save into the micro SD card for high definition video. University quality trainings. The founder, my name is Jeffrey Abatayo, has been a professor and department head computer program department of a college and university, and I graduated with honors on my MAPM or my Masters of Arts in Pastoral Ministry. So the team is me here, Jeffrey Abatayo, entrepreneur and high frequency trading, FHB researcher driver, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, accepted to Harvard University towards Master of Science in Computer Science, save an American corporation from bankruptcy, from $500,000 drop less than 5,000 and saved 300 jobs. Graduated from Andrews University, Master of Arts in Pastoral Ministry, and awarded National Honor Society in Religious Studies and Theology as a cum laude. Also, my wife, Jovema Abatay, she is the Chief Information Officer, Chief Financial Officer, and she is also an entrepreneur, a software designer, system analyst, data analyst, and developer, and a graduate of Bachelor of Science Information in Computer Science, and design and create a high-frequency trading system. Elmijo Abatayo is our Chief Safety Officer. She loves healthcare, drawing design, leadership, problem solver, children's ministry director, and love music. And Jeffrey Abatay II, he's the Chief Technology Officer, loves computer programming, computer hardware, software beta tester, and is a high-frequency trader, robotics, and music. So financial, we're looking for 12 months financing to reach 5,000 sign-up drivers on FHP Solutions. So 50,000 seed round, initial investment opportunity. Active FHP driver is 100,000 plus. And a revenue of from $49 all the way up to $245,000 every month to $2.9 million every year. And this is amazing. This is a very, very amazing. Just only that one is only 5,000 subscriber, but there are more than 100,000 drivers that they need this training. And this is Engineer Jeffrey Abatayo from FHB Solutions. If you have any questions, let me know, and we are able to help you to a part of our company, FHB Solutions. Drive smarter, earn $400 to $600 daily, and a passive income from $45 to $245,000 every month for a 5,000 subscription.